What up, Goodman family? It's early. Your boy's still tired. And I'm not going back home today, so I'm starting it early. I'm heading to my cousins to watch his kids there for a few hours versus one of them coming to the house. So, don't judge, but I got my coffee. So, that's some good coffee. Before, get my words right, my brain working, got kicked at pull start. Before we head there, just dropped the wife off to work. Odds are I won't see y'all again until I get done there. So y'all are gonna warp past a couple hours of watching kids. So yeah. So I know I told y'all I probably wouldn't see y'all again until after watching my cousin's kids. Let me move y'all over, there's a lot of sunlight blocking me. I'm on the way there. But I wanted to take this time to have a little bit of a heart-to-heart with y'all about this 90-day journey. Hitting the gym is harder than I want it to be every day. Not because I don't want to go. Trust, I would be in the gym more a day than I am now. Just life. And unfortunately, I don't make the money where I ain't got time. I don't make the money to where I can just say, screw parts of life. I got time to do what I want to do. We all got things we got to do that we don't want to do. And life is full of it. But I can tell you, the 90-day journey is about getting in better shape. Not necessarily about hitting the gym every day. So even though I'm not going to be bulking up or getting cut to the extent that I want, I still am working on that eating better. I am still working on that better diet and not giving into them cravings that I get with everybody bringing junk food into my house. Camera battery died, guys. Had to switch the batteries out. Last thing I said was people bringing junk food into my house. So that's the hardest part of it. Even if I was able to hit the gym every day, eating right, that's the hardest part. I have people constantly bringing in packs of soda at a time. Crazy amount of chips. Yes, I've bought chips because the hardest part of the eating right is doing the taste test on new foods for my other channel. And sometimes this channel. But when I buy them, I eat them in moderation. And I try to do that anyway. But even eating in moderation, some of that stuff's just not good to have. Getting on a good meal routine is my biggest problem. Because I don't eat at certain times of day. Most of the time, I don't eat breakfast. Like today, I didn't eat breakfast. And I don't because I have the same problem my mother has. I can't eat when I wake up. If I do, I'm gonna get sick. I mean, like, really sick. And that was not a cop, so I can pull you guys back up. Thought that was a state trooper. I thought I saw a light bar on the top. So I was trying to put the camera down. And it's just not good for business. So, like today, I didn't eat. I got going on my way. And now I'm hungry. It's been like an hour and a half, 2 hours that I've been up. And yeah, stomach's empty and it's getting them empty pains and issues like that. Which when that happens, you eat faster, you eat more, and you eat what you get your hands on, which isn't good. I have managed to get to the point that I've worked the sugar out of my coffee. I used to put sugar in my coffee. Now it's just creamer because I can't do black coffee. I can't. No. At least creamer. But I've never really, I lie, as a kid I was a big chocolate person because all kids are. But when I got into teenage years, I worked myself off of eating chocolate. Yeah, occasionally I'd have some chocolate, and I'm still like that because chocolate, acne, blah, blah, blah. I don't drink dark sodas because of the same thing. So they can bring the Coca-Cola into the house all they want. That don't bother me. But like Mountain Dew, orange soda, stuff like that. And ice cream has always been my weakness, and I cannot keep ice cream out of the house. I just can't. Somebody will buy it, or I'll wind up buying it because my pregnant wife wants it. And it's no bueno. But the diet is the most important part of the 90-day challenge. And I'd like to say I got my diet under control. Not under control, but better. We'll go with better. I feel like I have it better than it was, better than it's been in a while. And where I might not be dropping weight. Sorry guys, I hit a bump and my finger was on the record button. While I might not be dropping weight per se, I am, I gotta sneeze. No, I don't. While I might not be dropping weight per se, at the end of this by the end of this video, I haven't done it yet, the before pictures in the 90-day challenge. And we'll get to doing things. I'll show you the scale with my weight, do the pictures, all that stuff, and we're gonna try and focus harder on this challenge. I don't know what day we're into it. I know we're at least 14 days in, because this is 14 days. And I want to say it's an extra week, but I'll go back and look at that. We're not rebooting the challenge. I said that before. We're just going to keep it rolling from where we are. And we go with them results. I just got to the house though, so I'll see you guys in 1 second.
Eventually.
I'm back, guys. Wow, my camera's hot. I left it in the car instead of taking it in, and it's hot. But about to hit the bank up, deposit some money so I can pay some bills, and we're gonna take care of some things. Maybe get some yard work done before it rains. Maybe not, but we'll see. You too. Well, that's that, guys, and we're now getting ready to Hit out. Leaving the bank, heading out. We're done. Yeah. Now where are we going? Now where are we going? So guys, just come out of Food Line. Got a nifty little assortment of stuff. But inside of that nifty little assortment of stuff, got us fidget spinner. Got us our first fidget spinner. Got us our first fidget spinner ever. I know it says 6 and up. Well, my little boy, my 4-year-old wants it. And I figure, let's see what a $3 fidget spinner from Food Lion cost us. So, we get this opened up, and I'll be right back. So guys, I mean, little basic, I honestly thought it was little ball bearings there, so if you had big enough hands, you could spin like that. But, it's not. And it's just your little basic fidget spinner. You can actually see through to the ball bearings in this one. You can see them better from that side, my bad guys. So that's cool. I guess the next test, let's just see how well this spins. Wow, right off the gate, this one's a lot better than the crappy one you get from CVS Pharmacy for $7 and some change. This one was after tax, it was $4.27, and it's a lot better than the one you would get for a lot more. And I did it. I ain't gonna try any tricks right now, because you know I just got one. But I see people all the time balancing it while it spins, and they say it's hard. Or I've had people say it was hard, but but we're gonna see my little man's. I'm gonna let y'all see little man's expressions over this. So let's get that to the house and what have you been asking for?
Starting point. Start with love.
I see, baby.
Can I get it?
The best way to get joy is with a treat.
I think your hands are a little too small, but you've got it. You like it? You like it?
Mm-hmm. And you got balls. I got it!
Hold on. That one's like half the price and better. The other one wouldn't spin. It's been about an hour and he ain't put that fidget spinner down yet. He dropped it a few times, like right then was letting it go, but he ain't put it down yet. You like your fidget spinner?
Yeah, that's one up.
So, what I'm hearing is Daddy did good?
And talk to a real person.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
Daddy do good?
Yeah.
Did he do good with your fidget spinner?
Yeah. And you've been really careful with it. Next time, you can probably get me a black one next time.
Who says I'm getting you another one? Who says I'm not just gonna take this and go, ooh?
I just love green and black.
Woo. Ow.
2 hours later.
Sam's Club. Sit back down. Where you going? Get back up here. Every time we come, he's got to play on stuff. Stop before you break something. Don't jump on it.
I'm good.
It sits too low. You want to sit down?
No.
Why not?
Because I think it's nice.
Just too low? That's my only problem. It's way too low. I mean, that's how much clearance you got. Literally like 6 inches off the ground. Just like that, there goes $100, guys. You ever wondered what $100 at Sam's Club look like? There you go. Cold stuff. Gotta rearrange the cold stuff. For all you Power Ranger fans, the Zeo crystal is buried right here.
You want to make sure they get quiet before you go.
So I know, guys, earlier on we talked about the dieting part of the 90-day journey into losing weight, but it's a donut. It'll be okay. Trust, calories will be worked off. But with that, we're gonna taste test the new, what was it, cake batter or birthday cake?
Birthday cake? No, cake batter.
It's colorful. It's blurry. It's colorful. Outside looking, it looks like it's just a cream puff with yellow frosting and sprinkles. Let's find out. So
that is not like your sippy cup.
it would definitely be better
If you
without
hold it
all these
like
sprinkles.
this, you can't tip it
But
over.
it's okay. It'd be better without no sprinkles. I'm not a big sprinkle fan. But it's not like a regular Krispy Kreme. It's like got that eclair, that yellowy cream in it. It's pretty good. Do you want to try it?
Yeah, thank you.
Do you want a bite, son? So I said I didn't like it with the sprinkles. The sprinkles are gone. Let's see if it's any better.
I still see it. I see like
Much better. So that's his donut. Sit back up, come here. That's his donut. And that would be his face that he's trying to hide is covered in pink frosting. Huh? Shout outs to the Krispy Kreme in the Greenville, North Carolina, because although my little one was a little rowdy, not using his manners and behaving so much, the store manager gave him and the other kids in there balloons. He was the only boy, he got a red, the two girls got pink. Is there anything you want to say?
Nah.
Thank you.
It's getting bumped.
Thank you, maybe? Huh?
Goodness, family, did you give me this balloon?
No.
Tell the manager of Krispy Kreme thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Krispy.
Well, mister, if you watch it, he said thank you. So, and I thank you.
So guys, after we left the donut store, we went to Barnes & Noble's. Didn't really get anything. Cynthia and the baby got a pop vinyl. That was about it. And it's gonna wrap it up. So, need you to do one thing for me. Let's remember, until next time, keep it real.